Hello guys, this is Lamisane of LSWAT apps, and in today's video we're going to have a look at some extra functions available in PHP arrays. Now PHP arrays have a lot of functions, and unfortunately we can't cover everything because there's too many of them, so I urge you to head over to the PHP docs to reference them and learn the others. Actually there's like tons of them. So in this video we're going to cover 3 of the functions which I feel are very necessary when you're learning PHP. So this is by no means saying that these are the most important, but I always felt like I kept using these a lot, apart from the regular ones like array, shift, and pop. Okay, so the first one we're going to deal with is count. Now count just counts for you how many elements are inside an array. So let's just make use of that right now. So let's say we wanted to know how many elements we have in this array here. We can just use the count function. So let's echo count, echo count, and then pass in the name of the array. In this case, multi-number array. Okay, so back in our browser, let's refresh this. We should have 3. Okay, so that works fine. And the next function that I want to make you aware of is the end function. So basically what that does is just gives you the last item in the array. Even though you can do a count and just index that in the like this. Let me just show you. So let's say you want to see the length of the array, so that's count. This is what I see a lot of people doing because they probably don't know that the end function exists. So they do this and then they go to the array and say this and just pass in the length here, -1. So people do this a lot, and while this may work as well, let me just echo that in the browser. That should give us the last item in the array. Okay, as you can see, we have the let number 3 here. So but that's very redundant. As you can see, we're doing 2 things. An easy way to do that is just to use the end function and just pass in the name of the array, and yeah, that should give us the last element as well. So as you can see, after refreshing, we still have 3 in the browser. Okay, so that's the end function. Last but not the least, we want to have a look at the array rand. Basically what that does is it just gives us a random element in the array. So let me just add more items to this array. Let's say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now let's say we were doing some nice game and we needed just a random number from this list here. And how you can do that is just say let's echo that out. So we say array rand, R-A-N-D, not full random, and we can just pass in the name of the array, in this case multi-number array. Okay, so let me just rectify this. That's a capital N. Back in our browser, when I refresh, we should get a random number. When I refresh again, we should get a different one. As you can see, 3. I refresh again, we get 6. Refresh 7. Refresh 0. Okay, so that's it, guys. Those are the some really important array functions. And as I said at the beginning of this video, just do not take my word that these are the most important, but I kept using this a lot of times while I'm working. So I just thought that I had to make you aware of them. Okay, so thanks for watching as usual, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, bye bye.